See here, this is the Pigeon induction cooktop, which is 1800 watts, and today I'm going to tell you what are the compatible vessels or the bowls you can keep on this cooktop to cook. See here, just now for the tutorial purpose only, I heated up the water. I've just boiled the water and they are hot now, but I'll just throw them here, right? So which vessel can you keep and which vessel do you avoid? See, this is the aluminum, right? Usually you won't keep this on the here for to cook or to for boil or for to operation, any operation, because you only should use compatible vessels or bowl here. This is Bergner tri-ply stainless steel material. In order to test, you can do one thing. So this is the magnet of the fridge magnet, right? So just a small test. Okay, see here, when I try to stick this at the bottom of this pan, it is just getting stick because of the magnet. Because this is stainless steel, it is sticking up. But the same operation, if I do this for see, it will easily fall. Even for this. Okay, this is the small test. Okay, now I'll be just adding some water here. So now I'll be switching on this. Okay, this is the switch, right? What I'll do is I'll keep this on the stove, switching on, and I'll give the power. Okay, now I'll change the function to milk boiling, as I kept like water only, right? So this is currently temperature 80, it is showing, right? The temp is being highlighted 80. So we'll see the water is getting boiled. Okay, if this is not compatible, if this frying pan is not compatible, it will throw a error. Okay, it won't work actually, because the vessel what you are using to cooking on the cooktop of induction is not compatible, so it won't work. So just anyway, this won't be available for you. Just use your common sense. Cast iron or stainless steel, or the vessels at the bottom, if you flip any vessel at the bottom, you need to see like induction compatible. Those bowls or vessels only will work. Okay, see, the water is getting started boiling here. Okay, if you feel this is informative, please do hit a like and share it to others. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I'll be switching off this.